Hello students, in this video we are going to deal with citizenship. Okay. First question is, how many kinds of people do we have in India? How many kinds do we have? See, one is the original citizens of India and the other is the people who come from outside the country and live here. Okay, so those people are called aliens. Okay, so we have two kinds of people. First is citizens and second is aliens. Aliens means the other country citizens. Now here also we have enemy aliens and friendly aliens. Okay, well, next question is about that only. Second question, what are the two kinds of aliens regarding citizenship? So we have two kinds of aliens. One is friendly aliens. Friendly aliens means the citizens from friendly countries, and the second type is enemy aliens. Enemy aliens means the citizens of enemy countries. So now the third question is, what are the articles which are conferred only to the citizens of India? So Article 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 are only to the citizens of India. Okay. So what is Article 15? Article 15 is right against discrimination. Article 16 is right to equality of opportunity in matters of public employment. Article 19 is freedom of speech, expression, association, movement, residence, profession. Article 29 is cultural rights. Article 30 is educational rights. So now fourth question is, what are the other rights which are applicable only to the Indian citizens? Here right to vote. See here we have these rights in the constitution. So other rights are, we have also right to vote in elections to Lok Sabha and legislative assemblies. We have right to contest to the membership of the parliament and state legislature, and Indian citizens are also eligible to hold public offices. Okay, so these are the other rights other than the fundamental rights. Okay, now fifth question is, what are the articles that deal with citizenship? So from Article 5 to Article 11 it deals with citizenship. Sixth question, which part of the constitution deal with citizenship? It is part 2. Seventh question, does the article contain any detailed information on citizens? No. Why? Because frequently the Citizenship Acts changes. So based upon that, frequently this information regarding citizens will change. So only about citizenship it is mentioned, but who will be the citizens, what are the provisions for the Indian citizen to be an Indian citizens, all these are mentioned in Citizenship Amendment Acts. Okay, so any article doesn't contain detailed information on citizens. Okay, so this is about the seventh question. Now eighth question is, how are the problems related to citizenship solved? So the problems related to citizenship are solved by introducing Citizenship Act in the Parliament. And remember, only Parliament has the power to amend the citizenship rules under Article 11. Ninth question, how many Citizenship Amendment Acts are done till now and what are they? So till now, based upon the citizenship detail information or the rules, the Parliament has amended the Citizenship Acts 9 times. So originally it was Citizenship Act 1955, but later on all these were changed. Okay, till 2019 there were continuous amendments on citizenship. Okay, so we have Citizenship Act 1957, 60, 85, 86, 92, 2003, 2005, 2015 and 2019. So the original citizenship was constituted in the year 1955. Okay, Citizenship Act. Now the 10th question is, what is Article 5? Article 5 deals with commencement of the citizenship citizenship at the commencement of the constitution. So now what is Article 6? Article 6 is rights of citizenship of certain persons who have migrated to India from Pakistan. And Article 7 is right of citizenship of certain migrants to Pakistan. That means From India they'll go to Pakistan, and from Pakistan they'll again return to India. So for these people, Article 7 gives the rights of citizenship. Now 13th question, what is Article 8? So rights of citizenship of certain persons of Indian origin residing outside India. So they are born in India but they are residing outside India. So for those people the rights are mentioned under Article 8. Now 14th question, what is Article 9? So persons voluntarily acquiring citizenship of foreign state not to be citizens. So if I am acquiring a German citizenship, so at the same time I will also lose my Indian citizenship. So if I acquire a citizenship of other country, immediately I will lose the citizenship of India. So that is Article 9. Now 15th question, what is Article 10? So Article 10 is continuation of the rights of citizenship. So if I am a citizen of India, I will continue to be the citizen of India under Article 10. Now 16th question, what is Article 11? So Article 11 is the Parliament to regulate the rights of citizenship by law. So regarding citizenship laws, only Parliament has the right to regulate it. It is not the executive, it is not the judiciary. Only Parliament has those rights regarding citizenship. Now 17th question, from which date is a Citizenship under Article 5 is applicable? So now what is Article 5? Article 5 is the citizenship from the commencement of the Constitution. So which date the Constitution was commenced? It was on 26 January 1950. Now 18th question, under Article 5, if a person is born in India on 27 January 1950 but both parents are not born in India, then does a person belong to the citizen of India under Article 5? Yes. Okay. If a person is born on 27th January, remember, citizenship under Article 5, citizenship will be started from 26 January 1950. So here the date is given 27 January 1950, but both of his parents are not born in India, then does the person belong to the citizen under Article 5? He will belong. So if he is born in India and both the parents are not Indians, then under Article 5 he will be the citizen. 29th question, if either of the parents are born in India but their child is not born in India, then does the child be considered as citizen of India under Article 5? Yes, he will be considered. Why? Because both or either of the parents are born in India. Now 28th question, if a person is not an Indian, his parents are not Indians but he stays for 5 years in India after the commencement of the Constitution. So does he belong to the India? Yes, he will belong to, he belongs to the citizen of India. 21st question, on what conditions does the person who come from Pakistan to India be given under Article 6? So there are two conditions. When a person comes from Pakistan to India under Article 6, there are two conditions to give a citizenship for that person. First is, the person should be migrated to India. He should be coming to India before July 1949. Okay, if he comes like that, then he is normally the Indian citizen. And the second thing is, if a person migrated to India after, so if he comes to India after July 1948, then before applying or registering himself as a citizen of India, he must stay in India for 6 months. Okay, these are the two conditions under Article 6. Now 22nd question, can a person considered as an Indian citizen if he migrated to Pakistan and then returned to India? Yes, he can be considered as a citizen of India under some conditions. Now 23rd question, under what conditions can a person who migrated to Pakistan and then return to India considered as Indian citizen under Article 7. So if a person has migrated to Pakistan after March 1st, 1947 and later returned, then by registration process he should be registering as an Indian citizen. So from after registration he will be considered as the citizen of India under Article 7. Now 24th question. See guys, what is Article 6? Article 6 is the citizenship of the person who have migrated from Pakistan. Okay. Now what is Article 7? Article 7 is if I am going to Pakistan and from Pakistan I will again return. Now Article 6 is the person, he is from Pakistan. A person of Pakistan coming to India. This is Article 6. Article 7 is I'll go to Pakistan and I'll again return to India. So citizenship for this type of person is under Article 7. So next, 24th question, what are the two conditions under Article 6 of a person to become Indian citizen? So the first condition is if he or either of his parents or any of his grandparents should be born in India. So I said, what is Article 6? So from Pakistan I am coming to India. So what are the conditions for considering me as a citizen? The first condition is if I am born in India, then I will become a citizen of India. See, I am born in India, I went to Pakistan and I have again returned to India. Okay, so this from Pakistan I came to India. But I am born in India only, remember. So this is one condition. If my parents are born in India, if my grandparents or any of my grandparents are born in India, then under Article 6 I will be considered as an Indian citizen. Now the second condition is if I am in Pakistan presently, but I am born in India only, okay? I am in Pakistan. So if I have come to India before July 19, 1948, then I will be considered as citizen. Or if I come to India after July 19, 1948, then I should be registering as a citizen of India. Okay. So under this condition, I will again become a citizen of India. Okay. First, even if I am or else my parents or my grandparents should be born in India. And the second criteria is if I returned before July 1948, then no registration is needed. But after July 1948, if I have returned, after July 19, 1948, if I have returned to India, then I should be registering as a citizen of India. Okay, these are the two conditions. Now, 25th question, generally a person can be a citizen of India from which date as per Article 5? So, as per Article 5, January 26, 1950, from January 1950, citizen will be considered as an Indian citizen. Now 26th question, under Article 6, from which date a person can be a citizen without registration? So if he is in India before July 19, 1948, he can be a citizen without any registration. Now 27th question, under Article 7, from which date can a person be considered as an Indian citizen without registration? So if a person migrated to Pakistan and again returned to India before March 1st, 1947, then under Article 7, a person can be considered as an Indian citizen without any registration. Okay. Under Article 6, it is July 19, 1948. Okay. A person can become a citizen of India without any registration if he returns to India before July 19, 1948. And under Article 7, if I returned to India before March 1st, 1947 without any registration, then without any registration I will become a citizen of India. Okay. There is a difference between Article 6 and Article 7. Please remember those dates. In the questions they might confuse with these dates also. 28th question, under Article 8, from which date can a person be considered as an Indian citizen without registration? So, under Article 8 deals with overseas citizenship of India. To identify him as an Indian citizen, registration is compulsory. Okay, no, with if you register, if you are registration is not at all needed. It is, see, this is under Article 8, there will be a compulsory registration. Okay, so this is about the overseas citizenship of India of Article 8. See, I will revise again. Under Article 6, if I have returned to India before July 19, 1948, then registration is not needed. Under Article 7, if I return to India before March 1st, 1947, then registration is not needed. But under Article 8, if I returned at any date if I return, then also registration is compulsory under Article 8. Okay. Now 29th question, what are the 5 ways to acquire citizenship? So the 5 ways are by birth, by descent, by registration, by naturalization, and by incorporation of territory. Now the 38th question, if a person who belongs to Iran born in India on 15th June 1987, can he be considered as a citizen of India? Yes, because he is born in India. So, he will be considered as a citizen of India by birth. Okay. Now, 31st question. A person born in India on or after 26th January 1950 but before July 1st, 1987 is a citizen of India. This is given under which type of citizenship acquisition? So here they said he is born in India. So under citizenship by birth, he will be given citizenship acquisition. Now 32nd question, what are the conditions for the acquisition of citizenship by birth? So let's look into the conditions. So a person who is born between 26th January 1950 to 1st July 1987 is considered Indian citizen irrespective of nationality. Okay, if my mother is a foreigner, my father is an Indian, and I am born in India, then I will be considered as Indian citizen. Okay, if I have born between January 26, 1950 to July 1st, 1987, or else if both my parents are foreigners and if I have born between these two dates, then also I will be considered as an Indian citizen. Okay, so irrespective of their nationality, if I am born between these two dates, I will be considered under citizenship by birth. Okay. Now, after July 1987, if I am born to any of, if I am born in India, but any of my parents are Indians, if my mother or father are Indians, then I will be considered as an Indian citizen. Okay. So, if a person is born on or after July 1st, 1987, is considered Indian citizen only if any one of his parents are Indians at the time of his birth. Okay. Now, the third condition is if the person born on or after 3rd July 1992 is considered Indian citizen only if both of his parents are Indian citizens. So, remember these dates are very important. So, under acquisition of citizenship by birth, so if a person is born between January 26, 1950 to July 1st, 1987, irrespective of their parents' nationality, that person will be given Indian citizenship. So, if a person is born on or after 1st July 1987, both అంటే or else any one of his parents should be Indian citizens. Okay, if a person is born on or after 3rd July 1992 in India, then both of his parents should be Indian citizens, then only he'll get Indian citizenship. So if in any of these three conditions his parents are an illegal migrants, then Indian citizenship will not be given, even by even citizenship by birth. Okay, under this condition also, if their parents are illegal migrants, then Indian citizenship will not be given. Remember, this point is very important. Now 33rd question, what are the conditions to acquire citizenship by descent? Okay, citizenship by descent. So if a person is born outside India between 26th January 1950 to 10th December 1992, is considered as Indian citizen of his father is of an Indian citizen. Okay, see, if I am born between 26 January 1950 to 10th December 1992, then if my father is an Indian citizen, if I am born in America, still my father is an Indian citizen, then I will get an Indian citizenship. Okay, and next condition is, if a person born on or after 10th December 1992, if either of his parents are Indians, then he is an Indian. Okay, if first condition is only father should be an Indian citizen, second condition is both, if mother or father is Indian, then the child will be getting Indian citizenship. And the third condition is, if a person is born outside India on or after 3rd December 2004, then that person, that their parents should register the child as a citizen within 1 year of his birth. Okay, so these are the three conditions of acquiring citizenship by descent. Now 34th question, can a person of other country married to an Indian become a citizen of India? Yes, it is possible through registration. So he or she should stay for 7 years before registration. Now 35th question, if a son who is a major means who have completed 18 years, of Indian parents who stays in other country is already a citizen of India, but he want citizenship of other country, so do he has the right to withdraw citizenship of India? So if I'm staying in America, I am an my parents are Indians, so definitely I will also be Indian under registration. So I have acquired, so I've become a major and I don't want to be a citizen of India, so I have the right to withdraw citizenship of India and acquire American citizenship. Okay, so this case is possible. So 36th question, what is meant by naturalization? Naturalization is a process of becoming or making someone a citizen of a country that they were not born in. Okay, if a person born in America coming to India and acquiring Indian citizenship, then this process is called naturalization. 37th question, can an enemy country's citizen become citizen of India through naturalization if Indian citizens are not allowed to be the citizens of their own country? So I'll tell you an example. So India, Pakistan, these India, Pakistan have mutual fightings between each other. So if Pakistan doesn't allow Indians as their citizens, definitely India will also not allow Pakistan as a citizen of India. Pakistan citizens, right? So in those conditions, if other enemy country's citizen want to become a citizen by naturalization, then our country will not allow. If our citizens are not getting citizenship in that Pakistan country, okay, not only Pakistan, any enemy country, if other country is not giving our Indians citizenship in their country, we will also not give citizenship to those country people in India. Okay. Now 38th question, can an American citizen become Indian citizen through naturalization without giving up his American citizenship? No. If anybody want to become a citizen of India, if an American or else if a French person want to become a German person want to become a citizen of India, he should give up the citizenship of his respective own country. Okay. Now 39th question, Pondicherry people became as citizens of India through which way of acquisition of citizenship? So here, at first when India was formed, that is on 26th January 1950, Pondicherry was not part of India. But later on it was acquired under India. It became a part of India later on. So what about those people who were under French rule? So after acquisition, definitely when India will acquire other country, other areas which were ruled by other country, if we acquire, then those people also will come to India. So definitely if India has acquired, then through acquisition of citizenship, those people also will get citizenship. Okay. So by incorporation of territories, acquisition of citizenship will be given to Pondicherry people. Now 40th question, by how many ways citizenship can be lost? So citizenship can be lost by renunciation, by termination, and by deprivation. 41st question, does our India have single citizenship or double citizenship? So here India has single citizenship. Okay. Now 42nd question, does a person having Indian citizenship but residing outside India have the right to vote? Yes. For example, NRIs. NRIs are born in India, are a citizen of India, but go to other country for work purpose. Okay. So those NRIs will have right to vote and also right to contest in elections also. Okay. Now 43rd question, if a person who was citizen of India but acquired foreign citizenship has right to vote in India? No, he will not be eligible to vote in India. And here, which article is this? A citizenship of India acquired citizenship of foreign country will definitely lose Indian citizenship under Article 9. Okay. So 44th question, if we have single citizenship, then we have the right to move to any part of the country. So does Indian citizen reside in Nagaland without any permission? No, we can't reside or we can't go to Nagaland without inner line permit, because these areas are situated in northeastern states. So for their cultural diversity or for their cultural richness, few things and a few steps are taken by the government to preserve their tribal and cultural aspects. So we can't go there without permission. 45th question, who is the overseas citizen of India? So overseas citizen of India, he is OCI, is a form of permanent residency available to people of Indian origin and their spouses, which allows them to live and work in India indefinitely. But OCI status is not a citizenship and does not grant right to vote in Indian elections or hold public office. Okay. Now NRI means NRI are born in India, are Indian citizens, but they are non-residents of India. They live in other country for work purposes. Okay. So these NRIs have right to vote, right to contest in elections. But coming to OCI doesn't have right to vote, and also they doesn't hold any citizenship of India. Okay. Now, 46th question, who is NRI? NRI is the non-resident Indian. So he is an individual who is a citizen of India or a person of Indian origin and who is not a resident of India. He has the right to vote and contest in elections. Remember, these both OCI and NRI will be getting confused. So I am here to clear all your doubts. So read these both questions perfectly. Now 47th question, who are persons of Indian origin? So a person who is a person who is an Indian origin but has other citizenship. So this is okay, persons of Indian origin. This is POI. Okay, POI means a person who is Indian origin but has other citizenship. For example, Priyanka Chopra. Priyanka Chopra was born in India. Actually, she was an Indian citizen, but later on, she got other countries' citizenship, so she lost Indian citizenship. So under this, she is a person of Indian origin, POI. Okay. Now 48th question, does the NRI require visa to visit India? No, he don't need any visa. 49th question, does an overseas citizen of India require visa to visit India? Even overseas citizen of India doesn't require. And another question, is NRI a citizen of India? Yes. And is overseas citizen of India a citizen of India? No. But he can stay here and work here indefinitely. Okay, even his or her spouses can stay in India for indefinite period. Now 50th question, does a person of Indian origin require visa to visit India? Yes, person of Indian origin, remember here. Now 51st question, does a person of Indian origin have the right to vote? No, because he is not at all a citizen of India. How come he will have the right to vote? 52nd question, does overseas citizens have the right to vote? Even overseas citizen is not a citizen of India, but he can stay and work in India for indefinite period. He is not a citizen of India. Okay, so he will not definitely have the right to vote. 53rd question, does NRI contest in elections? Yes, he can contest because he is a citizen of India. He is just residing in other country, that's it. 54th question, which other country have single citizenship? Canada have single citizenship. And there are many more countries. One example is Canada. 55th question, which country have dual citizenship? Dual citizenship we have in USA. 56th question, can a person of Iran origin acquire an overseas citizen of India? No. Why? Because overseas citizen of India will be given only to the person who is born in India. Okay. So here the question is Iran origin. So for a person who is born in Iran, overseas citizen of India will not be given. Okay. 57th question, which article does not apply to enemy aliens? So article 22, 15, 16, 19, 29 and 30 will not apply to enemy aliens. What is article 22? It is protection against arrest and detention. 15th is right against discrimination on 5 grounds. 16th is employment. 19th is about right to freedom of movement, right to freedom of movement, speech, expression and all. Article 29 is cultural rights. Article 30 is educational rights. 58th question, what is Article 22? Article 22 is protection against arrest and detention. So 59th question, can a person born outside India but acquired Indian citizenship become a president of India? This question has come recently in 2022 UPSC question paper. So yes, he can contest as a president even though he is not born in India. So 68th question, can an enemy alien by naturalization become a president of India? No, he can't become a president of India. 61st question, can a citizen of other country who is residing in India enjoy civil and political rights? No. 62nd question, what is meant by friendly aliens? So it means the people of the country who have good relations with India. 63rd question, what is meant by enemy aliens? It means the people of that country which does not have good relations with India, example China and Pakistan. 64th question, can a foreign born person become Prime Minister or Vice President or Supreme Court Judge or Attorney General of India? Yes, through naturalization. Prime Minister Indira Gandhi has become an Indian citizen through naturalization. Okay, so not only Prime Minister, even Vice President, Supreme Court Judge, Attorney General who are foreign born can also be in these positions through naturalization. 65th question, which part of the constitution deal with citizenship? It is part 2. What are the articles that deal with citizenship? From article 5 to article 11. 66th question, if a child is born in India but his parents are illegal migrants, so in this case, does the citizenship by birth possible to that child? No, it will never be possible because their parents are illegal migrants. Okay. 67th question, for which two conditions is citizenship not possible by birth? So the first condition is citizenship of children born in India. If their parents are foreign diplomats who are posted in India, then citizenship by birth is not applicable. Second condition is if a children born in India and their parents are enemy aliens, in that condition also citizenship is not applicable by birth. So 68th question, what is meant by citizenship by descent? So here citizenship by descent means whereby an individual is eligible to claim citizenship if his or her parents, grandparents or sometimes even great grandparents hail from India. 69th question, can overseas citizen of India acquire citizenship through registration? Yes, he should be a resident of India for 12 months before application for registration. 70th question, if a person is a legal migrant but want to acquire Indian citizenship through naturalization, then is it possible? So anybody through any means, if he is an illegal migrant, then through any means of acquisition, he will not be given citizenship. Even if his children born in India, even citizenship by birth is also not applicable because they are illegal migrants. 71st question, if a person wanted to be a citizen, Indian citizen through naturalization, then he has to renounce the citizenship of his country. 72nd question, under which act Pondicherry citizens acquired Indian citizenship? It is under Citizenship Act 1955. 73rd question, what is Citizenship Amendment Act 1985? So special provisions are given to the citizenship of persons covered by Assam Accord. 74th question, if a person is registered as a citizen of India under Citizenship Amendment Act 1985, then till when he doesn't have the right to vote? So till 10 years. If a person in 1985 has acquired or registered as a citizen of India, then after 10 years he will get the right to vote. Okay, so under this act, so till 1995, so 1985 he has registered as Indian citizen, so plus 10 you have to add 1995. Okay, till 1995 he doesn't have the right to vote. Okay, 75th question, can a minor have the right to renounce his citizenship? No. When he becomes a major, then he will have the right to renounce the citizenship. 76th question, if a person renounces citizenship, then what about his minor child's citizenship? So if a person renounces citizenship, then his minor child also will lose his citizenship. And the other condition is, if this child become a major and he wants Indian citizenship, then he can apply. Okay. 77th question. During a war, if a citizen unlawfully communicated with enemies, then does he lose citizenship? Yes, he will lose citizenship. 78th question. If a citizen is residing out of India for 6 years, then does he lose citizenship? No, he will not. 79th. If a citizen is residing out of India for 7 years, then does he lose citizenship? Yes. If a person is residing out of India for 7 years, then he will automatically lose his Indian citizenship. Is it clear, guys? So this is about the questions on citizenship. I hope your concepts regarding citizenship is clear. If you like this video, like it and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.